If I had to start earning from YouTube today, here's exactly what I'd do. You don't need fancy gear, you need a plan. In the next 2 minutes, I'll break down how to make your first $1 online from YouTube, and how to scale it to your first $1,000. Step 1. Pick a money-smart niche: software, finance on a budget, fitness at home, study hacks, AI tools, problem-solving tutorials. If people search it and buy after, you can earn. Step 2. Set up fast: one channel, clear banner, one-line value promise. Smartphone camera, natural light, clip-on mic if possible. Use copyright-free music only. Grab tracks from YouTube audio library or free PD. Step 3. Create a repeatable series. 3 tools in 3 minutes. $0 to $100 challenges. Fix it fast. Repeatable formats scale attention. Step 4. Make clickable, keepable videos. Titles, promise a result. Earn $10 day with shorts beats YouTube tips. Thumbnails, one big idea, big text, big face, or clear object. Hook in 5 seconds, show the result first, then the steps. Retention, cut the fluff, jump every 3 to 5 seconds with visuals or on-screen text. Step 5, get discovered, search, answer how-to questions people type. Shorts, post 3-5 clips per week, turn long videos into 3 punchy highlights. Community posts, polls and quick tips to keep people coming back. Step 6, monetize in layers, AdSense, aim for 1,000 subs, plus 4,000 watch hours, or 10 Denetter shorts views in 90 days. Affiliate, link tools you actually use, pin your link with a clear benefit. Sponsorships, after 5 to 10k subs, pitch niche brands with a one-page media kit. Digital products can be your templates, mini, courses, checklists, solve one specific problem, memberships, bonus, Q&As, behind the scenes, templates. Step 7. Systems beat motivation. Batch ideas on Monday, script Tuesday, film Wednesday, edit Thursday, post Friday. Track click-through rate. Track average view duration. CTA. If you want a plug-and-play list of profitable video ideas and free music sources, comment plan and I'll drop it in the next video. Subscribe if you're serious about earning from YouTube. Your first $1 is closer than you think.